I understand and now we are here for hosting today's morning assembly. We have a motivational story for you and our story is the Sand Peacock. Once there was a rainy day and all the peacocks were dancing all around. We all were admiring their feathers. Such a beautiful day. Let's come and dance. Suddenly there came a nightingale and started singing. All the joy was beaten out of him. The peacock started crying the moment as they heard the nightingale. At that moment, God appeared and asked from the crying peacocks, "Why are you upset? Why our voice is so rough as nightingale has such a beautiful voice?" God listen everything. Here, every living being is precious, his or her own love. Yes, the nightingale bless its beautiful voice, but you also bless its beautiful feathers. Oh, sorry God, we are silly to compare ourselves to others and forgetting our own blessing. It's good to understand, my dear. Have you any problem also, nightingale? Oh my Lord, I got it. Each other is different, so we should accept it and move with confidence. Then everyone smiled at each other and went their way happily.